This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Amazon Fire TV remote back up to the device. So this is actually really easy. What you want to do is just simply take out the batteries from the remote and then go to your TV and unplug your TV from the wall outlet for about 60 seconds. Then turn on your TV. And you need to turn off your TV and turn it on because it's going to prompt a screen to pop up when you turn on your TV. Then, when your TV is turned back on, place in the remote batteries, just like this. And then, the TV's turned on, you're back at the home screen. Hold down the home button for about 10 to 15 seconds. And this is going to cause the remote to go into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you can see this is going to turn on now. It's going to start blinking orange. Okay. Then, look at your TV. After about 2 to 3 minutes of being at the home screen, there's going to be a pop-up that says no remote detected. That's usually when you can press this button down in the middle here and your remote will be connected to your TV now. So that's what usually works for me. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.